What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is basically like a chill out morning, you know, and it's, you know, and stuff, but really, oh, but yeah, today is just a chill morning, you know, why not let it be a chill morning, but like, honestly, this video might be very short, which is fine, so it's not a big deal, but if you think about it, it's not really that much to like even do, but today this video is gonna be filmed in the exact same day, so I'm gonna film another video at the bus loop after 7 period, like y'all already know. So yeah, so y'all will be getting 2 videos that I gonna be filming, so we'll see. Sorry, I had something in my throat, you know, went down the wrong pipe, I guess.
Oh, he's over there. Your first AP? Yes.
You guys gonna go outside the school and then back in? We're gonna call. Oh, it's that way? Yeah, like maybe this way.
Honestly, I don't know what to expect. Twice. And hopefully, if today doesn't rain, then we can get some good lighting shots. But then if it does rain, then I'm not gonna record this afternoon's video. So hopefully, I'm praying. I cross my fingers for it. So we'll see. But yeah, today it's supposed to be. Right now it's like 64, since the cold stopped like at the end of March. I mean at the before or end of March. It's during the day it's not cold. It's in the 90s.
I'm taking them to fifth period.
No, give me one.
No, you'll get them in fifth period.
No.
But the thing is that like yesterday night was night under 58, and right now 60, and right now it's like 61. So 61 degrees. Right now it's 7 a.m. But I'm gonna go use the bathroom before I head to class, because during class changes I don't like to use the bathroom and stuff. I like to go straight to class and be on time. So yeah, I'm gonna go quickly use the bathroom and head to class. So, and I have first period in the 300 building. but this might be a short video for sure. So, let me just quickly go use the bathroom and head to class. Because I actually need to use it.
5?
And
Is that at the end?
And the reason why I need to use the bathroom because, the bus driver, we were going on bumpy roads, so it was making like everyone probably wanting to get out and try to use the bathroom. So. And plus, he comes at my bus is 4408 101 181 15. So he made like what he did is like he comes at he comes at 5:27 in the morning. So yeah, and normally the school wanted it, but it's what it is because right now we're in the month of May, and it's like 2 weeks left before school ends. School ends on May 25th, 2022. So we're in 2 weeks. Like we have 9 days left of school. So yeah, and I think it's pretty much what he decided to do, but I honestly don't know what he was trying to do on those bumpy roads. It is what it is. I'm gonna do today's outfit, that way y'all can see it. Air Forces, black pants, and a great old Navy shirt. And like I said, I'm gonna be filming another video today at the bus loop, so yeah. So today's video that's gonna be filmed at the bus loop in the afternoon after 7th period will be filmed in the exact same day as this one. So just letting you all know that. Anyways, I'm getting into class now. I'll catch you guys on the next video in the afternoon.